Hey everybody, this video is going to go over composition of two functions basic. So let's say we have two functions p and q, and they're defined as p of x equals negative x plus 5 and q of x equals 4x plus 3. We're asked to find p of q of 1 and q of p of 1. Now, whenever we're given this notation, what we can write this as is p parentheses, what are we putting inside of p? Q of 1. Okay, and this other one is q, and inside of the parentheses is p of 1. So what do we need to find? We need to find q of 1. So q of 1 is 4 times 1 plus 3. Now think, where did I get that from? It's from plugging in 1 straight into this q function, right? So now I need to find Now I need to find p of 4 times 1, which is 4 plus 3, or p of 7. And p of 7, I go to the p function and I plug in 7 into x. So negative 7, negative x plus 5. So that's negative 7 plus 5, which is a negative 2. Now, are we going to get the same thing over here? Well, let's take a look. What is p of 1? Well, p of 1 I get by plugging 1 into the p function. So I should get negative 1 plus 5, which is 4. So what is q of 4? Well, q of 4 is going to be 4 times 4 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. So I don't get the same thing, right? That's because I go from, I'm putting an output of the q function into p for the first one, and I'm putting an output of the p function into q for the second one.